But what I want to talk about now is earning a yield on your Solana and possibly other crypto tokens. If we click on this button here that says bonded earn at the top, where it mentions earn up to 22% APR, this is where we get into the staking section of the app. Now guys, I just want to mention here that staking is something that you're going to have to look into on your own. There are unique risks and benefits involved here, and it's above and beyond the scope of this video. This is strictly for demonstration purposes. This is not an endorsement or recommendation of staking here as an investment strategy. But what we're going to do here is select SOL, as we have 0.24 available, and it says you can earn 5 to 9% APR. So if you have any crypto assets in your portfolio currently that are able to earn a interest rate through staking, they're going to be listed in this earn opportunity section of the app. So I'm going to click on stake SOL. And it says you can stake up to 0.24486, and you can also select the percentage here at the bottom. Now it mentions it has instant bonding and unbonding in 3 days, so you're going to want to take that into consideration here in terms of the lockup period and things like that. But let's say, for example, you want to stake 50% of your balance. You would select that here, and then click on the review button, and now it mentions we're going to be earning a rate of 5 to 9% APR on about $24 worth of SOL. The bonding time, again, is instant. Unbonding time here is 3 days, and the payout frequency is once a week. So that's pretty cool here that you can earn weekly interest here through staking. And we're going to click here on confirm. And just like that, we have staked 50% of our Solana balance. So if I click here on view transaction, it now shows us the proof of that transaction. We can click on the back button to get out of this. And now within the earn section of the app, we can see our balance and we'll be able to see our rewards earned over time here as we earn the weekly interest here through staking.